welcome back to another video where today we're going to video trash.
What?
No, not exactly. We're gonna have to take this trash, pull all together, and make that robot from 2008 Disney Pixar movie, WALL-E. The WALL-E movie I like. So here we have we're gonna have WALL-E's. We have WALL-E's chest. We have his legs, or his treads. Here are his treads. Right there, his damaged treads. Well, I don't know.
They don't even have wings.
What is the name of the
I'm going to
giant
the
waterfall?
toilet.
We have the panels, the plate with the store energy. We have the, I need to switch them around. Sometimes I don't do that. Right. We put the store energy down there. His head is gonna be important.
Okay, seriously, we're gonna have that.
Two eyes. One missing.
No, I'd say, I'm afraid we're gonna lose stuff.
The eyes.
I like that game.
Right. His
Okay,
eyes are gonna be
is it
in.
my turn?
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Let's get to work building the WALL-E robot. Okay. I think we're gonna start out with the treads
According
here.
to legend,
First, we're
what
gonna
might you
have
find
to
at the end of a rainbow?
add.
Pot of gold.
Yeah.
I'm winning.
That.
What do you
Another
do with
one. We
javelin?
take it like that. Then he takes Wall-E's main body.
What's a javelin?
There's a hole underneath, so let's click on these.
No, when you throw it.
That. Bada bing, bada boom.
Okay, we throw it.
Wall-E's not completed yet, but we're gonna start. First, I want to get these panels
Well,
on.
you're on the way
So,
from the parents, so
like,
you're probably gonna go back.
back. Okay, it's fun. The knees.
You put a silly face and ruin the school photo.
It's not
Like
hard or
clown.
anything,
Back
so.
to faces.
And go side and click. That will close.
Actually,
Take this.
I didn't answer that
On the side
question.
there. So,
So I'm still there.
like
Okay, so that's
there.
my turn, isn't it? What toy has a range called Ninja Go? Lego. Yay.
There you go.
He said poop.
Place. Okay,
True or
here we have
false? X in
Wall-E's
X
little
means
store
for
energy
exciting.
kernel.
No, it's for
And it
extreme.
says solar rechargeable on there. The red dot. He's fully
What was
charged.
David Beckham's
Take
shirt
that.
number when he captained England?
Plug those there.
10.
Let's start with the arms. I'm gonna take the side where you're
No,
not gonna see
7.
the screw.
Oh.
It's like costume and burning up
No, you should have
because
turned.
Wall-E's out. He is
Where did
jump
Adam
robot
and
on Earth
Eve
alone.
live?
Take that.
I don't even know.
Put his hands right
No.
They lived in the Garden of Eden.
there.
Well, just do
Oh,
another
where
one
is
for
your
me
other?
because
Okay.
Where's the
I
hand?
think that was hard.
What
Where the heck is
two
the
jobs
hand?
do your ears have?
Hearing,
And
Looking for the hand. I lost it again. Oh,
listening.
awesome. Oh, there it is.
balancing.
Found it.
Okay, what is a unicorn?
His hands are gonna be there.
And
And we're nearly just done. We just have the head
What
pieces.
is a unicorn?
Right. I'm gonna turn it on just this part right here.
With
Take
one horn. Yes.
Take
okay,
this ball
good.
right.
Okay, you can jump the web.
Come on. Yeah. We need to wait till it.
Oh yes,
There you go.
Down.
Down.
No, I'm not cheating.
The last piece.
Yeah,
So
no, that's okay.
take the
What?
eyes.
No, because we have to go, so we have to finish this game.
Plug them to there. And the other.
What
And there.
can
And
you
here we
work
have
on
our
to help you see
completed
more
WALL-E. You repair WALL-E. This is called the
You
U.
have some
Repair
on
WALL-E.
your head.
This is so cool. I love this thing so much. I have 2 WALL-E toys.
What can you
They're
wear
all
that helps
this
you
was my
see more
favorite. I got it for
clearly?
Christmas.
Glasses.
Right. And oh yeah. You wanna do? You could like
Okay. Next question.
It's for you.
I think.
like
No, you
recreate
answer
the sounds from
correctly.
the movie, like he's repairing his eye. Go quack 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 when his eye falls out. It's just cool. Articulation on guy.
Oh,
His head is
that
on the bullseye.
so
He'll move
easy.
up and down.
Scotland.
Yes.
So
I
his
learned
eyes
that at school.
and
Yeah.
on like
You
that.
won.
And his
Yeah,
eyes
so
do
you
the
have to
effect
buy
of the movie.
something
Drop,
for
drop,
me
drop, drop.
Okay.
So his eyes are
Okay,
in a
now
ball
we
joint.
Put that back in there.
Yeah,
and then
universal
you're gonna
joint, I
get
guess.
dressed, right?
Is there any more?
Great.
Well, it should be
Well,
like
that's
me
the end of our
and,
articulation on the guy. His treads will do
Hero and
anything
you. That's the whole
except
fun of it.
these roll and push it really hard.
So,
We.
Crushing
Oh,
this
yeah.
reindeer.
That's the end of our articulation on the guy. Sounds like Wally's
wait,
gonna be
that's
doing
not-
too many
Let's go get
bionic
him.
poses. You know how Wally is.
Go get
He's not expressive, but at the same time he gets
Mama,
sick.
I'm
So
gonna go
I just love this
get
guy.
him.
As for these things, this is a thing on. There you go. Put trash in there. So we take that and we put this. We're gonna shove those in there. Put there for storage and gone for yeah. It's a very awesome figure. You're not gonna see this in stores anymore, or like Toys R Us has. Toys R Us have like really old stuff in the clearance section. Not gonna see it on stores anymore. You might be able to find it online on eBay or Amazon. If you can, Wally enjoys it. I wish that in the movie. Wally's arms could slide around this little track right here. That he could come down and scoop the trash in. The interactive and Cuban stack have this. There was a second hole down there, so you could pop up the arms and plug them in down there. So try this down. Wah, wah, that wasn't so cool. Yeah, okay. There you go. That is the review of the U Repair Wally. It's awesome. I love Wally, one of my favorite Pixar characters ever. And he looks fantastic, and he's so much fun to play with. And he really looks great on my shelf on my bedroom. That was it. Okay, guys, I want you very much for watching. And go and follow me on Twitter for sneak peeks and updates. And you can so after that, thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you.